Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to lock a page in Notion. So this feature is particularly helpful if you want to prevent accidental edits or prevent someone from changing any information on a finalized page. It's especially helpful if you're working in a shared space with other people. So this is how you do it. So from your home page, you're going to find the page that you want to lock. So on the left hand side, these are my pages. I'm going to click on my daily planner and I'm going to lock this page so no one can make any changes. So top right hand corner, there's the three dots. I'm going to click on that, scroll down, and you should find the tab that says lock page. So all I have to do is turn that on and this page will be locked. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.